Hello, everybody. We are going to start a little project on Ellis Island, and I think you guys are going to love it. It's a virtual tour of Ellis Island. Ellis Island is in New York City. It's where hundreds of thousands of immigrants came over to the United States from all over the world, really, but mainly Europe. But it's a great project, and it's a virtual tour, so I'm going to show you what this is all about, and I'm going to show you guys what I want you to do for this project. And parents, I think you're going to love this too. There's a link for the Liberty Foundation that I'm going to post into this project where you can put your last name or punch in your family names and see if you had people cross through Ellis Island. It's really cool. It'll show you ship manifests and all kinds of things. So really neat stuff. So here we go. You're going to go into classwork. You're going to go into writing. Okay. Once you get here, what I want you to do is I want you to click on, first of all, go ahead and just click on the link to the Ellis Island web virtual tour. Here it is. So when you landed at Ellis Island, you had certain things you had to do. So here's stop one, the passage. That's them getting on a boat and traveling over here. Stop two, the arrival. Stop three, baggage room. 4, the stairs. All right, it walks you through. It takes you through all the different things you needed to do in Ellis Island. And so, like, if you click on the arrival, you can read about what that part of it was like. There's a short paragraph, but then it also shows you, resources like photos, audio, right? So these would be primary resources. The audio and the photos and the video. Video's real neat. This audio on the arrival is very good, very good. You got to listen and watch all these. It's fascinating. So you go through the tour at each step, right? But here's how you'll do it. So there's the website, but what you guys are going to do is you're going to click on this Google form right here, and follow the directions. I wrote you a little paragraph right here. It says, you are a traveler to the United States. Soon you will be arriving at Ellis Island. You'll need to take a tour of Ellis Island to make sure you know what to expect once you arrive. As you go through your quest/tour of Ellis Island, be sure to answer the questions. So there's a link. This link is going to take you, and I'm going to show you what it'll look like, so I'll go into preview mode. You'll put your name in, obviously, up here. You'll click the link. It takes you right to the step. I think it's step 1 right here, the passage, right? Okay. Now go back. Once you read about the passage here in step 1, right, and you check out some photos and do a little researching. Oh, and click the little hyperlinks, right, the Did You Know section. You got to read it all, and then you'll come back. It's going to ask you questions about what you just learned, okay? Then you go on to Station 2. You're going to click the link. It's going to take you right to Station 2. It's got photos and audio and video, and then you're going to answer what you learned about Station 2. So that's what I want you guys to work on. And this is just the initial introduction to this project. We're going to do this a lot when we get back. We're going to do a little research writing. And I've also included the book, What Was Ellis Island? I'll give bonus points for those of you who read the book. I don't know. Hopefully, if there's a book taco quiz. If not, I'll give you bonus points if you do an activity on the book. Okay? Maybe if everyone does it, I'll order the classroom pizza or ice cream or something. We'll celebrate. But if everybody reads and does an activity in Book Taco on that book, if all of us do it, I'm sure a celebration is in order. So what I want you to actually work on is this. Now, what I'll say is this. If you got stations 1, 2, and 3 done, that would be enough. I would be okay because we'll do the rest of it at school. As long as you start this, I'm fine. Okay? It's a really cool project. I did not include the Liberty Foundation link, but I will after this video. It'll be there when you click on it, okay? So good stuff. It's a lot of fun. Simple project. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. So, Tadero out.